Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making paitas. It's a Mexican dish and is a complete meal in itself. 1 hour and your meal is ready. It's a perfect combination of protein, carbs and nutrients. I have made it even healthier by adding sorghum flour, that is jowar ka atta. If you do not have it, you can use whole wheat flour instead. List of all the ingredients are there in the description box below. Please do check. Please watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notification about all my future videos. So let's start. Let's begin with making dough for our tortillas. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of sorghum flour, that is jowar atta. To this I am going to add half a cup of whole wheat flour. It will help us in rolling thin bread. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well. And now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil. Half a cup of yogurt. I am using plain yogurt here. Now mix it nicely so that all the ingredients are evenly spread. Next we need to make a soft dough. Here I have taken some warm water and I am going to add little at a time. Keep kneading it for a couple of minutes till it binds together and you get a smooth dough. Add water if required. Now apply some oil on the dough so it doesn't dry up. Cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. Next we will make salsa, for which I have roasted 2 tomatoes on the stove top till they cook completely and the skin starts turning black. I've done the same thing for chilies as well. Now we will remove the skin of the tomatoes. It should easily come out as they are properly cooked. Now we will roughly cut them into pieces for grinding. Now add the green chilies in the mixer jar and grind it till they are completely crushed. Now add the tomatoes. Just grind it for one pulse. We do not want a fine paste here. Let's take it out in a bowl. Now add in the chopped onions, spring onions and some coriander, lemon juice, black pepper powder, red chili powder or cayenne pepper, salt, and now mix it well. Our chunky hot salsa is done. Next I have taken here some thick yogurt. We will add some lemon juice to it and give it a nice mix. We will use this in place of sour cream as a healthier alternative. Next we will prepare the seasoning for our veggies and beans. Now in a bowl add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or cayenne pepper, and mix it all. Now let's cook our veggies. Here I have placed a pan on high heat and added 1 tablespoon oil. Now once the oil is heated, we will add in the sliced onions and saute it for a minute till they are half cooked. Now add in the capsicum and saute it for another minute or so till they are softened. We want the veggies to be slightly crisp and not too soft. Now we will season it with some salt, lemon juice and half of the seasoning we had prepared. Mix it well for another 30 seconds and then we'll take it out in a bowl. Now in the same pan we will prepare our beans, that is red kidney beans or rajma, which I had soaked overnight and pressure cooked for 6 whistles on a high flame. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Now add in the boiled rajma. Since it is already cooked, we will go ahead and season it with some salt, lemon juice and the remaining seasoning which we had prepared. Now mix it well and cook it with the spices for another minute. Beans are ready. We will take it out in a bowl. The dough has been resting for around 30 minutes and now let's make tortillas. Now we will take a small portion of the dough, round it into a ball just like the way you do for your regular chapatis. Apply some dry flour on it. Now with very light hands, roll it into a round shape. Apply the pressure on the edges to make it round. It should be really thin like roti or chapati. Now we will place it on our palm and transfer it to a heated pan. While it is cooking, we will roll another tortilla. We will let it cook on one side till we see small bubbles popping up. We will now flip it over to the other side. We will let it cook on this side as well till the time we see some bubbles forming. Now flip it again, and with a tissue paper or a clean cloth, gently press the edges to puff it up. Now repeat the same for remaining tortillas. Finally, everything is ready and now it's time for plating. Now in a condiment tray, I'm going to put small quantities of salsa, yogurt dip, some grated cheese and some mashed avocado. This is optional, but I love it in my tortillas. Now for serving the veggies, I have heated a sizzler plate. Again, this is optional. You can just serve it in a normal plate. Grease the tray with some oil. Wow, look at that smoke. Now we will place the veggies on one side and beans on the other side. And now it's ready to serve.